participants. Today, third day of e-poster presentation competition. So today we welcome on behalf of Open Pharmacy Federation, Pharmanest 21. So we welcome Professor Devang J. Pandya, Deputy Director, School of Pharmacy, RK University, Dr. Kabil Kumar Verma, School of Pharmacy, Abhilashi University, Himachal Pradesh, and Dr. Bharatidasan, Chief Technical Officer from Biopharma Limited, Hyderabad. So welcome you all. So let us start the first one. Professor, over to Chetan and Valika.
Okay. Warm good evening to one and all. I, Chetan Mehta, and my colleague Sri Valika. We are the coordinator of Pharmanest 2021. We are here to moderate today's e-poster presentation session. I request all the participants to note that the timing for presentation is 5 to 7 minutes and 2 minutes for the question and answer session. Now I request poster number eNest 151 to unmute himself and start the presentation.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, you are audible. You can start.
Good evening, sir. My name is Arshni Safi, and I am pursuing M.Pharm, Pharmacology branch from RBI. First of all, talk about the title of my poster presentation is Review of Phytoconstituent Used in the Management of Alzheimer's Disease. Second, we will look at the aim of the review is to identify different mechanisms of actions behind Alzheimer's activity of plants and their pharmacological active constituents. So first of all, I will talk about the Alzheimer's disease. Introduction. Alzheimer's is progressive neurodegenerative disorders of the CNS. It affects it affects 47 million people worldwide, and WHO predicts that by 2050, Alzheimer's will become the most common cause of disability worldwide. Now, methodology. A phytoconstituent was obtained from 2011 to 2021. Moving on the result, uh, the review focused on several pathways by which various identified phytoconstituents manage the Alzheimer's disease, such as inhibitions of amyloid beta accumulations, inhibitions of butyl amino esterase, and oxidative stress. Now, a list of table. Look at this table. List of having Alzheimer activity with their part used and mechanism of action behind activity in this table. First is arecholine. Arecholine is an alkaloid isolated from arecholine Areca catechuline, and is considered as the major effective constituent of Areca catechu. Belonging to the family of Arecaceae. Arecholine is a great potential to be a therapeutic drug for various ailments. However, further investigations are needed in the further to reduce and eliminate its toxicity before developing into new drug. Recently, lot of research has investigated the potential pharmacological and toxic effect of arecholine. Arecholine was reported has pharmacological activities such as nervous system. Currently, effect of arecholine on nervous system were comprehensively investigated. Arecholine could stimulate the muscarinic receptor to promote body excitability and improve the advancement, improve the abilities of learning and memory. Arecholine are reviewed which would be beneficial for potential application research of this study of this drug. Second is naringenin. Naringenin is natural flavone richly found in citrus and grapefruits, exhibit antioxidant potential, improves brain insulin signaling and cognitive functions. And amyloids, Alzheimer's disease type neurodegeneration. Based on these findings, we tried to evaluate the protective potential of naringenin and to assess the involvement of estrogenic pathway, oxidative stress, apoptosis in relation to learning and memory deficits in an intrahippocampal AD injected rat model of AD. Our findings suggest that beneficial effect of naringenin pre-treatment attenuates AD-induced impairment of learning and memory through inhibition of lipid peroxidation. Mainly mechanism reduce oxidative stress. Third is uh, third is isorincophylline. Isorincophylline is the alkaloid isolated from commonly prescribed Chinese herb uh, named Ankari Ramplus Ankis. Violating the preventing effects of iron on the cognitive deficit and amyloid pathology in mice. We are reducing alpha beta generation and depositions. How hyperphosphorylations and neuroinflammations through inhibiting the activation of GNK signaling pathway and has good potential for further development into pharmacological treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Fourth is huperzine. Huperzine is a natural inhibitor of acetylcholine esterase derived from a plant acting as a acetylcholine esterase inhibitor. It possesses neuroprotective properties. The relevant mechanism is unknown. We should the neuroprotective effects of huperzine was derived from a novel action on brain iron regulation. It reduced beta amyloid levels, uh, amyloids, plaque formations, plaque formations, hyperphosphorylations in the cortex transgenic AD in mice. Huperzine is the natural inhibitor ACHE derived from acetylcholine inhibitors. Fourth is luteolin. Luteolin is a flavonoid compound found in food. Food-derived compounds can be beneficial for preventing and treating AD. Many preclinical studies have reported that luteolin has diverse biological activities, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory activities. It has been shown that luteolin has potential anti-inflammatory activities under different conditions. Treatment of luteolin can inhibit tumors, necrosis factors, TNF-alpha, reduced inflammations in cells by supporting nuclear factors, kappa, enhancers of activity beta cells, protective effective against LPS induced LPS lipopolysaccharide induced lethal toxicity uh, and can reduce 6-hydroxydopamine derived toxicity. in dose development manner in rat. Lutulin has the ability cross the blood-brain barrier. Study suggests that lutulin can potentially be used against neurodegenerative disease, including Alzheimer, including AD. Fourth is alpha terpinyl acetate. Present study investigated and demonstrated that Listeria cardamomo binds to major phytoconstituent alpha-terpinyl acetates, binds to multiple drug targets implicated in AD, belonging to the family of gingibraceae. It constituent demonstrated anticholinesterase, antioxidant, anti-amyloidogenic, and neuroprotective potential can be lead to develop a novel, safe, and effective therapy for AD. The last is the curcumin. Curcumin is extracted from the rhizome of Curcuma longa, family of curcuminoids. This review summarizes preclinical and clinical findings on curcumin as a potential cognitive and enhancer in AD. Curcumin is an active hydrophobic polyphenol extracted from the rhizome of herb Curcuma longa, also known as turmeric. Modern medicines has shown that curcumin exhibits a wide variety of biological and pharmacological activities, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, neuroprotective properties. Last is conclusions. Phytoconstituents of traditional medicines plant used over available treatment in the management of Alzheimer's disease due to lesser side effects, low cost, high potency in comparisons with the current treatments. Thank you.
Now I request evaluators to start with the questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this presentation is very nice, and I have some queries. And queries as well as I have some suggestions. First of all, your poster should be self-explanatory. Okay, the content of the poster is not that much sufficient, and some diagrammatic presentation should be there, or any flowchart should be there. Okay, as you have told the various phytoconstituents, but you have not mentioned any biological sources from which from where these constituents can be taken. Okay, so this is not clear. So I just want to ask one question. What is the future perspective of this review? What outcome will come from this presentation?
We identify
You have just
treatment
taken articles.
depending on the conditions, depending on the conditions of brain damage, of Alzheimer related systems.
As you know, Alzheimer, that is a progressive disorder, no?
Yes, sir.
As you know, Alzheimer is a progressive disorder.
Yes, sir. Progressive disorder.
Okay,
yes.
And just tell me, what is the current treatment available in market for Alzheimer? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Current treatment, sir, have Ginkgo biloba, brand name Ginkgoba tablet, Ginkgonex, Huperzines A, extracted from Cerat plumbose, potent and reversible, and selective inhibitors of acetylcholinesterase. Next is ginseng, Revital multivitamin containing ginseng, Korean ginseng, Himalaya organic compound.
Whatever you have tell that all the phytoconstituent you have shown in your poster, any of phytoconstituent is used in marketed formulation?
Market formulations are first is ginkgo
These,
biloba. Yes, sir.
I'm just saying that whatever constituent you have shown, and I think that is all the constituents are reported. I think reported activity have been shown in Alzheimer's disease. All these phytoconstituents you have shown in your poster.
Sir, so all activities is here with
All these,
mechanism.
I understand your point. I am just asking that whatever constituent you have shown in your poster, any of these phytoconstituents are available in market in any formulation, in any herbal formulation?
Huperzine, sir. Huperzine is a potent reversible selective inhibitors of acetylcholinesterase.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My questions are over.
Okay, I just like to not ask any question, but in particular because it is just a review, but a few suggestions from my side that very interesting constituent is right now important from a medical legal perspective, which can be useful in Alzheimer's, and that is cannabinoids. If you could have included its information, then it would have been very interesting for the audience. And the same constituent, the same plants which you mentioned in the whose market formulations are available, that is ginseng, jingo, salvia. If the constituents of those would have been also included in this poster, then also it would have been very interesting for the authors, for the audience. So that is the only suggestion from my side. Thank you.
Thank
Dr. Bharti, any question? Can you please unmute and ask the question?
Dr. Bharti, please unmute yourself and you can ask.
I think there is some problem.
Yes.
Now she joined.
Dr. Bharti, please unmute yourself and you can ask. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. Actually, I have some problem in laptop.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Scanning with the mobile. Okay. To the candidate, you have studied the curcumin for Alzheimer's disease. Actually, did you study anything about turmarone? That is the actual active component for used in the Alzheimer's disease. Hello?
Yes, sir. I
Yeah.
can't understand, sir. Sir, please again see.
Yeah. You studied about curcumin from turmeric for Alzheimer, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you gone through turmarone, one another ingredient present in the turmeric, which is the most active component used for Alzheimer's disease?
Curcumin review summarizes preclinical or clinical findings on curcumin as a potential cognitive enhancer in Alzheimer's disease and normal aging. Curcumin is an active hydrophobic polyphenol located on the rhizomes of the herb.
No, you did not come across aromatic turmarone, one active component from curcumin? No idea.
Sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. That's all. Okay, next. That's all. My questions are over. That's all.